Hi, I'm Eric with Smittybilt, and today we're going to be installing the Smittybilt O.E-Style Bow Assembly on our 4-door JK. Works with the Smittybilt and other O.E-Style soft tops. It's CNC bent for exact specifications. It's powder coated to match the OE finish. It mounts to existing factory locations, and it has provisions for the OE Sunrider feature, and it's compatible with the Smittybilt O.E-Style door surrounds and Mopar door surrounds that feature the Sunrider hook. Our first step is to install the brackets onto the roll bar. Simply locate your flap on your roll bar, factory roll bar. You will notice pre-threaded bolt holes in here. Simply take the included hardware and bolt it on. What you want to do first is start both bolts and make sure that the roll bar padding is not pinched by the bracket. So once both bolts are installed, tighten them down slowly, making sure you do not pinch the roll bar padding between the bracket. In our next step, when we attach the bow assembly to the bow brackets that are on the roll bar, note the little cutout here is for the T slot on the bow assembly. Once both sides are in place, we're going to bolt the hardware up through the bracket into the bow assembly. Here's the hook that is going to be latched onto the roll bar bracket. It simply goes up and over the bracket, and it will drop on and lock the bow assembly in place. This step is easiest with 2 people, however it can be done with 1. Legs go on the outside, this goes over on the back. What you want to do is lift up a little bit to rotate it forward and drop it in place. Once again, when we're securing these bolts, get both bolts started to ensure proper alignment and then tighten down. This is the bow assembly in the open position. Secured the bows together with the strap here, and there's also another strap that hooks onto a hook on your roll bar bracket. To unhook the strap on your roll bar bracket, simply push down on your bow assembly, use the plastic to push on this and lift it up and off the hook. Note, the fabric loop here goes around the hook on the roll bar bracket. Now that everything's loosened, there's no straps retaining everything, fold open your bow assembly. I'm showing you this without the top on so you get a better picture of how it unfolds. So this goes up and opens like that. Once you get this in place, you're going to want to open your door and attach the bow assembly to the hook on your door surrounds if you have door surrounds that feature the Sunrider option. On Smittybilt's door surrounds, they feature a hook that goes up around the peg on the bow assembly. On the Smittybilt one, you simply push on the latch release, bring the bow assembly forward, and the lock will come down on top of it. Once again, simply push back on your latch release, pull your bracket forward, and put it on. You also want to make sure that the guide block is on the rail inside your door surround. To unlatch the bow assembly, simply pull forward on your bow assembly, press on the latch release, and lift up and over. When you're using your top in the Sunrider position, you're going to want to secure the top closed in this position with the included strap. Simply strap it around the bow assembly and Velcro it in place. You want to make sure that it's in between this and here and not on this side or over this so it does not come loose. Our next step in closing the soft top is grab your bow assembly while your latches are latched in this Sunrider hook. Fold this back towards the front, put it in place. The final step in securing your bow assembly to the windshield is use the O.E-Style pull-down hooks that feature a cam open lever. Place the hook around the footman loop and latch it in place. Now your top is secure, you're ready to go.